So we are ready to go? Or what?
Definitely are ready.
This is pretty serious little city.
What is up, bros?
You gotta modify stuff that the EPA don't like.
We ain't quitting, man. Always gunning, bro.
So what are we doing today?
Taking apart Baby Hope's motor.
Refreshening it. Just back to stock, you know.
So now we're about to show you guys what was the true stock.
All those people that said, oh, I was fully built, you're gonna see right now. $12 China half-ass block guard.
Word.
Just so you know, that fucker could go right back in just the way it is. I'll plug it right up and she'll start right up.
Yeah, she will.
I don't gotta plug up cooling lines. The only line I gotta hook up is fuel.
Fuel, the harness. Still with all the antifreeze in it.
Oh yeah, still has the antifreeze.
That's how we did mine.
Yeah.
Hey, I didn't have to do shit.
Alright, so we got what? Already the transmission bolts already off. Transmission ready to come out.
Then
Then just took off the harness on the whole car. I mean, on the whole motor.
Starter and then the chain.
So then I got this.
14 right here. Cabrón, me dio una gana de cagar.
You just barely started this shit.
How many cherry boats you actually took out?
3.
There's still some.
Just so you guys know, my tranny was being held on by 3 fucking boatsmen.
So it was one here, and one behind where it goes in.
Weight reduction.
Yeah. Then bolts make a difference.
Strip.
Yeah.
Va a sacar la cadena.
About to. Yep.
Alright.
Levanta esto, macho.
I'm holding the motor. So
It might help. There you go. Alright, she's all out, brother. Pull it straight out. How does it feel to have your back again?
ponle la madera.
I feel like a new man!
Ponle la madera.
Beautiful. Mira ese coche ahí. Un coche de stock, no lo pintamos ahí.
Actually, Clutch Iron Man, bro. Bitch looks new!
Went through a little abuse, but it looks like she never went through an abuse.
Fucking iron. Action clutch, bro.
Shout out to Action Clutch. This clutch held up all year and it's still gonna handle another year.
Ahí va el último.
Still in good condition.
Yeah, how?
So the clutch looks good. How's the flywheel look? Minor burn marks. It looks even though. It looks like it has even wear though.
Huh? This nigga knows that shit.
What happened?
13, 16,
For what?
19.
13, 16, 21. So, 3 quarters, 19. What do you need it for?
Take the flywheel.
No, those are 17.
Not 17.
You need a 12 point with that.
I did try the 17 to
No, that's not. Oh, he's got the ARP one, that's why.
You said 11, 16?
No, 3 quarters.
Keeps them nice and cold.
Look. The benefit of living in Indiana. Yeah, in Indiana. You have your own freezer outside.
Hell yeah. Con escarcha.
And you can't grab it like a little shit. You gotta grab it así con huevo. Salute.
Come on, the flywheel. I had to get
I got a flywheel.
Yep.
Hold on, guys. Good.
Ready?
This way has a normal way. What do you think, Macho? Huh? What do you think?
I can get normal. Mine look like that too.
Yeah.
See that? Tight.
Oh wow.
That's crazy, bro.
That's shake well. Just the K series does that.
La vibración.
It's called vibration.
Starts to roll itself just with the
Yeah,
vibration.
like, I had to use the big gun to take it out. Tienes que sacarle la.
When you take out the fuel system.
Alright, then you roll up on the engine stand. She's ready for teardown. Oh, the fuel injection looking.
For E85?
They don't look clogged.
This one looks dirtier than shit. Cylinder 2. No clean burn, cylinder 2 and 3.
Took it to
It
jail.
just smell like dirty alcohol.
Yeah, look. Cylinder 1, clean. Cylinder 4, clean. 2 is bad. 3 is dirty.
Una 14.
Yeah, you can smell it. Just for those people who thought that I was full power, all this other shit. Carlos, pass me one of those cams. This motor was put together with hand-me-down parts, bro. This is a $100 cam, tuner 3s, completely wore down to shit. They're no good anymore. And that's how I was running on the street against anybody. The last race I had was against Zach. That was my last race and I won that one. And look how hurt my motor was. If you look there, that's not supposed to be like that. It's dented in two. I got a dent here, a dent up here. That one's ate up like hell. All my VTEC rockers, or whatever you want to call them, they're all fucked. And this car still put in that work like that with $100 cams. So people, please do not cheap out on shit. I cheaped out just to make this car run. It ran a 12.7 on a hurt motor. No bullshit. This doesn't happen over one race. This is constantly. This right here is what it's supposed to look like. Brand new. This is gone to shit. And we made this thing work. And haul ass, it ran a 12.7 at a 106. It ran 12.7 at 106 on a hurt head. Like those rockers are no good no more. They're trash. So if I ever want to use that head again, I have to get new rockers. I made 210 horse hurting my rockers just because I went cheap and bought some $100 pair of 2-3s.
Even Lawson told us too. He's like, those cans are shit. Because we tried to green it, remember? At the dyno, and we did like 2 degrees forward, 2 degrees back. And that
made no power, made no difference. It made the same power over and over and over again. Yeah,
at the dyno.
It kept making 210 and would not make less, would not make more. No matter the fuel we put in it, nothing. I thought we gave up. It was like, we're gonna make it happen with 210 horse. And we did. Yeah. Completely hurt, no bullshit. So people don't think that I'm making excuses. Nah, no excuses. And if I had to go race it again against the same people I race, I'll throw my cans back on, put it all back together, and go back out and race. But
we ain't doing that shit, bro.
The whole point of it, the motor is.
We'll try to show you a picture on Instagram. We'll probably take a really good picture and show you what the full damage is. Because I doubt you can see it right now.
Yeah, because I'm running Skunk 2 Alpha XP springs for 6,000 valves.
TRCs.
Yeah, TRC retainers. There's nothing, no port job, no nothing.
It's a simple head package.
Yeah,
it's a simple head
package. It was a simple head package, and it made shit shake. I know a lot of people thought that I had way more money into my head. I didn't.
And there she is.
And just for those who said that I was not running a stock block, those pistons are stock. Stock. This is a stock B20, stock 84 millimeter. What else? There's not board stock pistons. The only thing aftermarket was the rods, because we had this thing that B20 rods do not like to hold up.
When we looked up the torque specs on those, were like 28 pounds.
Yeah.
They're really weak. These were a torque spec to 43 pounds, I think.
Yeah, it was.
For the Eagle rods.
Yeah, the only thing in my block that was aftermarket was my rods. And that only did so that they don't break, because B20s are notorious for busting loose the crank cap, and it'll fucking destroy the rod and all that. But let me take out the VTEC pins.
Yeah, that was it. Because it comes with it.
Take out the VTEC pins.
I'll put them on top of the tube.
Take it out with the whole head gasket. Look at that head gasket.
Yeah, I know.
It already lifted. Just the head gasket was done. That's where I was losing compression at. So on top of that, guys, my motor was losing compression. I believe I had like 190, 185. I think this was 200 and this was 210. When we first rebuilt the motor, they were 280 across. So I lost a lot of compression and still made power. This thing is a $12 China made that I had to grind down to make fit my block, because it wouldn't even fit.
If we could take it off and show you all the grinding spots, we would.
Oh, there's no getting that out. It's on there for life. It's on there for life, guys. It ain't coming back out. I kind of hammered that bitch in there like I didn't give a fuck about the motor.
We did redneck style.
Yeah.
Nah, but
no disrespect to my redneck people, but I did a redneck style, just hammered that shit in there and just prayed to God it didn't warp my cylinder walls, which it didn't. Yeah, head gasket blue.
The walls look good.
Yeah.
recon.
Yep.
Well, we can't even recon, we gotta bore it out.
Yeah, we're gonna bore it out to 85 millimeter. Now we're gonna try and put a little bit more money, better pistons.
Look at shoulder.
I don't know. I think I should keep it a little up.
STD.
Standard.
STD.
Standard pistons, people.
What are they?
They're stock from factory. I just replaced them, remember, because we cracked the piston at the track when we was with a B16 head.
We're at the same block.
Same block,
same
guys.
block.
I destroyed a head and a piston. I said, fuck it, hone it, get new pistons for it,
and another thing.
oh, no, this thing.
No, this thing.
That shit blew out when I was racing, so we put a screw back in there.
Yeah.
And we can never check my oil, so we never checked the oil on this thing. We just kind of guessed it.
We're gonna find out right now.
Yeah, straight up, we guessed the oil, so I would assume by looking at my oil catch can that whatever was in there, that's what I had to put back into the motor. So that's how we did it. This jerry rigged like a motherfucker, and people were saying that I was fully built. Shit, tricks in the head and the block and all that. There's no tricks, people. Look, you guys saw us take it apart. There's not like no glitching and nothing. Stock. For those who like to talk all that shit, that blind performance, be cheating, lying, man, we were on E85. If you guys can smell my garage right now, it smells like pure ass E85. That's all I did to this. Bone stock B20 with a GSR head. That wasn't even cut down, nothing. Stock head.
So what's next, guys? We already tore it down.
Oh yeah, pistons coming out, rods, crank, everything's coming out, guys, now. But yeah, guys, just so you know, man, there's nothing. We didn't do nothing crazy.
It's cool.
He's frozen.
We didn't do nothing crazy to it. Bone stock. I can't lie. You guys see it. Bone stock B20. We made it happen. 12 seconds. That's what a B20 can do. All motor, no nitrous, none whatsoever. Just B16, stock B16 tranny, stock B20 block, stock GSR head with a head package. 12 seconds. And a good tune. People started saying that my tuner was shitty, he don't know how to tune. I don't see people's motors lasting as long as this one. So keep watching, guys, so you guys can see. Holy fuck. Alright, guys. You guys are probably gonna be mad. But just to go to show you how well we build our shit. Let me see the oil pan.
The oil still needs.
Watch this, bro. If you look, that dark shit is old oil. Only the light part, that's all I have for oil. Mind you, that's not even 2 quarts. I didn't even have a quart.
We were just talking about how we gotta guess it to fill it up.
When I told you we guessed it, we guessed completely fucking wrong. And look, no bullshit. He'll take it back off again. He's gonna take the fucking thing off, and that's all we had for oil. I don't think it'll leak out anymore. Look at that shit. Nothing in there.
Tilt it, tilt it.
That's like what it has, the little residue shit. There's no oil in that motor. Ran at 12.7, guys.
That oil todavía.
And look at that oil. The oil is like brand new.
That's crazy. That kind of scared me though.
Bro. I hope it's jelloed up.
I hope so too.
We're gonna find out here in a minute for sure.
Lo bearing no importa, lo que importa es el cráneo.
No, just in case.
We got a spare
Just in
one
case.
right there.
We hurt the crank. We have another block there with a donor crank. Another B20.
Anybody got some spare B20s? Hit us up.
Yeah.
If you're getting rid of B20s that are not bad,
No, B20s.
smoking, I don't care. Let it smoke like a freight train. I'll buy B20 blocks
B20
as long as they're good.
K-series.
K-series blocks as well. Let us know, please. But just so you know, I raced hella people with like not even a quart in my engine. I know, fucked up. I shouldn't even be doing that to this engine, but I did it and it didn't break. It held, still banged out a 12.7 at 106 with no fucking oil, guys. No oil at all. So that's fucking crazy. Part of my language, people. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera guy back on because this shit is crazy.
That's some Undertaker type of shit.
So yeah.
He fucking took the soul from the B20.
Word.
It made it on pure E to the fucking finish line, dog. Bro, we went to the track, hit 12.7. 2 nights later, no
Right.
checks, no nothing. We go ran Zach with his Mustang.
Bro,
And I was racing all fucking night long, just so you guys know.
we raced
I think
Zach. We raced Vincent.
Yeah.
We raced a Jaguar. We were gonna race Eli, but some shit happened.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
I raised myself.
It's crazy.
B20 power, bro. For those people who hate B20s, that's living proof right there. B20 run with 0 oil.
Yeah.
Don't fucking try it. Just so, I did not tell you to go run your B20 without oil.
You don't have one of these?
All right, we found some more issues. Nah, I'm playing.
All right, guys.
Look at that.
Well, just so you guys know, if you guys look here, this thing is dented in like hell. It's not straight as it should be. This is why. I guess when we jacked it up from the bottom, it hit and it bent the oil pan, hitting my pickup. So it was always hitting the pickup. So the little space that it has to pick up oil, I made it even smaller. And running without oil caused it to burn my oil pan. And it kicked on the oil.
Wow. Make that
But no metal shavings, bitches.
None whatsoever. No metal shavings at all.
We just took this out. We didn't clean it. We just took it
They're
out.
gonna keep it like that. Keep it like that so they can see.
Well, lucky.
Look in there. None. No metal shavings. It's hard to see in here, bro. We'll
Hold on, we got you right now. We got you.
metal shavings at all, bro.
No, we got
Wow.
you. Hold on.
Pray out, damn it.
Let me see that right quick. Bring it up here again. Bring it up here again.
There is none.
That's just like silicone
It's
pieces.
clean.
Look at that. Silicone pieces, that's all you got in there. No oil, no bearing.
Wow.
Well, yeah, let me talk short. Let me not talk
Look
shit.
at how clean that is, though.
Bro, a full year of none but full abuse.
We're running on bare ass oil.
Very little oil.
Very little oil. This is bad. But I'm proud because the B20 hanged in there.
Now we know.
Big shout out, yo. We're not sponsored by King Race Bearings, but big shout out to them people. Them fucking bearings last forever. I'm not sponsored, you heard?
Hey, but if you want to give us a sponsor, hit us up.
Yeah. We'll test out your bearings for real. We're running with no oil. And if it worked, it worked. Yo, any bearing company that's worth like King Race Bearings that want to give us a sponsor, we'll test out your bearings for sure. And we'll put it to the test. And we'll give you some good info, you know? I mean, you'll see right now when we take these bearings out running on no fucking oil. We're gonna see how they are. Not that they should be ran with no oil. They
Not
should
that.
not be ran without oil.
But we accidentally forgot to check the oil. Oh, wait, we could have checked.
Yeah, we couldn't check the oil. Holy crap, but that motor looks mint, bro.
It does.
They look like it just came out the machine shop. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Yeah, let's pull mine to the park again. I'm gonna get it outside.
My motor was never hot tank.
It wasn't?
Never.
That was really
That's just running it on E85. This shit was dirty as
Bro, look
fuck.
at this shit. It's about to fucking hell. Look at that.
That's how a motor's supposed to sprint freely. Yeah, hell no, bro. The bearings ain't damaged. There's no way.
I don't think.
If there was one damage, you wouldn't be able to do that with one finger. Where's the big one? Big snap.
I think he needs to put back or something. Right there, nigga. Yo el más ciego que lo encontré.
Oh, yo soy más ciego que tú.
De hecho, nuevo blind.
Hence why they call us blind performance, you know?
We're all blind. We
You
can't
don't see how much oil we put in because we can't. We got a bolt stuck in where my dipstick goes.
Dale.
Yep.
Make sure it's on reverse.
We are doing cylinder 4 right now. Let's see how bad the bearings are, if they're bad. Because it looks like they're good by the way it's free spinning. Bro, if those bearings are good, I'm calling King Ray's bearings. They gotta give me a sponsorship. Bro.
Say full review. Full review right here.
They can see it.
You
Tap
gotta
it.
tap it.
Tap it. Interpretation.
Están sueltos los dos. Completo, sácalo.
Se quedan los bearings. Se cayó.
Yo, these bearings is lit, dog. Hey, yo. Now you can tell where they got a little bit hot, but yo, these bearings, yo, King Ray's bearings, y'all do y'all thing, bro.
Holy shit.
And this was not no 20 weight, no 15 weight. This was 10-30 all summer long. But yo, look how smooth that spins on the crank. Good. Got it.
Oh! Yeah, get out of here.
Yo, that bearing's no good. We were gonna reuse it.
Oh, God.
Nah, I'm playing.
We ain't doing Skilo Puerto Rico now. Oh, shit. I'm gonna hear come all the Puerto Rican comments.
Nah. See the Puerto Rican flags in here, bro?
Hasta los mexicanos
Look at
dicen
that.
que son boricuas.
Yeah.
Look at the bearings on it. Still good.
Hell yeah.
I could reuse them though.
We'll put them on mine.
Saco el pito.
Yeah.
Hey.
Where's that?
Oh shit.
What?
I gotta know which one's which.
Ahí.
Okay, this one, that one, that one.
Pull out one at a time. So we know which is what.
¿Se fue ya ese?
¿Ah?
¿Se fue?
No.
Look at that.
Pon eso ahí.
The notches gotta go to each other. Check the notches. Stock replacement, YCP pistons.
¿Qué noches?
YCP. Stock replacement because I broke my piston at the track.
Se parece.
No.
El noche está en ese lado.
No, you gotta put it towards it.
Opposite. Both notches go to each other.
Yeah.
They're up for sale.
like that. Huh?
They're up for sale.
Yeah, we'll sell you the pistons. They're still good.
This is the baby Hulk pistons.
Yeah. That way you can say you have Baby Hulk's parts, you know. Go fast parts.
We might make a chain and put it when we win a race. So every time we win a race,
Facts,
we put it
bro.
on.
Now we're gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it to the races.
All four of us.
Yeah. Well, still in mint condition. Oh.
Vamos, tú lo guardas,
Mark 'em.
tú sabes dónde.
Mark 'em.
Yes,
You need
mark
the-
'em.
Eso tiene bearing adentro.
Well, I mean, it doesn't matter because we're putting the pistons in.
Yeah, but
No, the rods. Because you put them in the same crank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta put them in the smash.
There's a big marker right there. Right here.
Ay, ay.
Joya, per fucking cerveza.
¿Qué?
La joya per fucking cerveza.
This nigga used to drink so much, now he hates beer. Nah.
Mark one. This
Let me
was,
see the ratchet.
this was one, right?
Oh my god.
That's the one you had on this
Yeah.
Que
side?
tiene
Yeah.
bearing.
Yeah, todavía tiene el bearing because I threw the bearing out. Here.
Okay. Nah.
It's right, number one.
Actually, you could write it bitter. Bitter.
He does a wrong one right here.
It's in número 4. Número
Cuatro.
4.
Yo, Fernie, wanna hold on.
I'm gonna hold you.
He sucks, nigga.
Yeah, you read it. Chicken scratch.
Oh, these are bolts, huh? They were not good. Pause.
This nigga said that.
I thought they were nuts. I'm like, pause.
Está apretado todavía.
You said it with the natural.
Maybe you're weak.
I got these gloves on.
That's supposed to give you more grip.
They're wet right now.
Pause. Too much lotion.
two.
That's the number 2.
Let's see how the bearing is.
Yeah, this one took a little bit. It got a
I
little
need
dry.
that rubber mallet. Oh, that'll go.
Yeah, this one got a little hot, but for running without, you can still see the marking. So it just got a little hot.
Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah, that one just got a little hot.
That's two.
That's running with no oil, guys. It got a little hot. That's to be expected.
We're ready.
Let me wait for him to mark that.
Where's the marker at?
Yeah.
Huh?
Right there. That's crazy, dog.
Look at the crank though. Crank looks good. How's the pump look? How's the pump feel?
The pump is good.
Daddy, I thought you said you were getting a toy today.
Oh.
I'll get you.
Ooh.
Is the store still open?
Huh?
Is the store still open?
Diablo, loco.
Otra ratchet.
Daddy,
Very
I
good.
almost done so many.
It's hard to be position. Those I gotta hit with the tip. The gun.
Alright, where's the one first?
Come on.
What the fuck? Frank is ready to come out here after he's done.
The pump is on two.
Bottom one is done too?
Yep.
Yo, I still remember we did 28 pulls on the dyno for no fucking reason with no oil change.
Yeah, no oil change. We didn't even check the temperature on it. Well, we did. We were keeping an eye on it.
Yo,
but we
even
never-
Lawson was like, God damn. that motor held up. 28 passes. 28 passes on a fucking dyno for no fucking reason. Just because I was mad because I did not know that my cam had already fucked up my rockers and I wasn't making more than 210 horsepower. Told you, BP built motors, dog.
You want your motor built by us? Come through. We build them. What? 4-cylinder V6, inline 6, V8, all that shit.
Anything, bro. We built
Even
any
rotaries.
engine. Even rotaries.
Rotaries, even V12. Fuck it, bring us a V12. Give us a challenge. Give us a Viper.
Well, that's facts, bro. We build whatever. V8s.
None of those cars is doing what a Honda's gonna do. All motor.
Not this one. Hell, this motherfucker put down, bro.
Gonna work.
Still next to V8s all day, every day. Oh, it hurt head, bro.
Rubber mallet.
There you go.
Look at that rear man said, we're using it again.
No, Brian. Oh, la la. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. ¿Cómo de nuevo?
I just gotta polish it.
Yep.
She got a little dry in the center. Right there, you can see it. Yep. It's nothing we can't handle.
Pero eso cuando le den el polish se le va.
Yeah, that shit's all gone.
Damn, bro, that's it. We are done.
Motors in pieces, guys. So what do you guys think?
Bro,
Stock or not stock? Comment.
we can definitely fucking pull a motor out at the track if we blow up.
Yeah.
Throw another one in
In an hour.
and get back on the line.
We could probably pull the motor in an hour, pull everything apart in an hour.
And that's what we're procrastinating, trying to explain
Yeah.
to you guys. If we really got to work, I'll take a whole motor apart at the track, rebuild it, put it back on the track, and run before the track closed.
Yeah. Shit, we changed.
PFI style.
Yeah, we changed the fucking axle what, like in 15 minutes?
Yeah.
And we had to take both of them out because it had a
H2B.
it fucking broke right in the differential. So we had to pull one axle side out and push the broken piece out. We got it done like in 15 minutes.
That crank still is new though.
It does.
Bro, if I take it and Brock tells me that I don't have to do nothing to this crank other than hot tank it, it's over. It's over. You crank yourself?
All we gotta do now is just take off little stuff here, get ready for the machine shop.
Yep, should go to the machine shop tomorrow. I'm gonna take the head and the block tomorrow to get it bored out. Hot tank deck, what has to be done to it. And
No, don't lose it. What?
yeah, everything's brand new. I got it into the range.
We're gonna reuse it.
Just in case you want to reuse it.
Just so you know, guys, I could reuse these parts. Most people would be like, fuck it, use it. If I was at the racetrack, I'd reuse them bearings. That's how good they were. I'm fucking proud. Long live B20s, bro.
Word.
People who don't like them, don't trip. Send them this way. Donate them to Blind Performance, yo.
We'll make some good use to them.
We'll make trophies out of B20s.
Change out of the pistons.
Facts. You gotta go dripped out to the track. Yo. Piston as a chain, bro.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fucking do it. Matter of fact, where's the chain at?
Dripped out, bro.